Hey guys, we are at Bambu Apus right now, but no, we are not in Jakarta Timur. We are in Pamulang, Tangerang, South Tangerang. So there's a Bambu Apus in South Tangerang, and there's another Bambu Apus in Jakarta Timur, East Jakarta. Okay, we are now at a residential area. We are coming out of this compound. The road is kind of empty as we like it, but look at the sky. Look at those clouds. Oh my, those are black clouds. Big rain is coming, no doubt about it. Here we are crossing the highway. There's a highway below us, as you can see. And now we are going down. We're gonna be level with the highway. And we are going up again. Okay, the rain is falling right now. Everyone turns on their lights. The rain is getting bigger. We are going to turn left right here. We have reached the main road. It's crowded, as you can see. Okay, that's all for now, folks. Goodbye.